Welcome to myprojectBazzar.com. Our project title is Predictive University Student Granting Using Academic Performance and Machine Learning and Semantic Literature Review. Our project understands in this study the present to the semantic approach, the predicting to the university of student grade based on the academic performance using machine learning algorithm. These projects involving to the collecting the data set related to the data set academic metrics, the processing the data and then applying to the various classification model, including to the random forest decision tree and KNN XGBoost and then hybrid of XGBoost and random forest. The data is pre-processed to the handling missing values and performance liable encoding and eliminate irrelevant features and ensuring to the quality of the input data. The feature extraction techniques such as to the genetic algorithm and principal component of PCA are employed to identify the optimization of the most significant feature for the accurate prediction. The Flask-based web interface is developed to provide user-friendly platform for making to the prediction based on the trained model. The project evaluates on the performance of the each model based on the several metrics such as accuracy, F1 score, confusion matrix and ROC to determine to the which algorithm yield to the most reliable and predict. The result to the comparative analysis demonstrated which the machine learning model is the best suited for the predicting for the student grades, offering to the insight into that further most relevant grades outcome. This approach can be extended to the provide university with a tool for the yearly identification of the students as risk to not grading to the helping to the target and improve the student method by evaluating the performance across various algorithms. The study aimed to the highlighting to the strength and then weakness of the each model, providing to the comparative understanding how much machine learning can be leveraged to the support academic success and the improve decision making in educational institution. Our project flowchart is first we have collect to the data set, after to the pre-processing, data splitting, classification. We are using to the machine learning algorithm. So totally 4 algorithm we have trained, and then we have predict to the performance analysis, and then once we have predict to the good or bad, we have check it on. So student performance are the good or bad, we have once I have verified. After that we have log out to the process. So that is the end process. Our project execution. So this is a home page. The predictive the university of the academic using performance and then machine learning approach. So first we have entered over the hours in student. So hours in studied further, how much hours will be taken, and attendance we have taken. After to the sleeping hours, so tuition, the tutoring section for the 1, the physical activity means 1. So the CGPA means we have entered to the 0 to 4. Across to the research means 1, and low, high or that medium. So family income, so 1 is rich and 0 is low. Teacher quality, 0 means low, and type, and peer inference, and parent educational, and distance of the home, and gender, and parental evaluation, extracurricular activity. And then after that, so the category will be predict to that good. So everything is low, so the average will be there. So it's considering to the everything as a 0. Student type. the attendance will be there, it's automatically predicted. Thank you.